Good morning, guys! Happy Thursday! So we are ready to go. We're just waiting for our taxi to come. It's 8:50. 9 o'clock yung supposed na sundo sa amin. We're just finalizing everything. Ano yung halaman, dinidiligan. Si Zach, tingnan niya. Ayaw magpalit. Zach, show me your shirt. Jaja! O, susi! Bago kasi yung damit niya. Pinasuot ko kahapon. Ay, pinilit niya isuot kahapon. Pantulog. Tapos, tuntua siya. Sa Pinas ko lang binili yan. Ngayon lang nagkasya. Ayun, ayaw magpalit. Favorite niya na siya. Anyway, ako ito lang. Tsaka, okay, we're ready to go in a while. Going to Malaysia. Here's our ride. Innova. Come on. Zeb, come on. Yeah, comfy. Go, go, go. It's cozy here. Go, Zach. Go, go. Yeah. Okay. Hi, boss. You're not the boss. Hi, Daddy. Put your seatbelts on.
Hi, Daddy. You was a boat this one. This one.
How about Zebby? Meron pang chair dito sa likod, pero hindi na namin ginamit. Okay. Zach. Zach.
Hi.
You like this place? And there's a Legoland. Come on. Look. Wow. Yeah. Zeb, Zeb. Zeb. Come here. Look. Downstairs. Wow. Yeah. Here's the lobby. 3 o'clock pa yung check-in. Hey, what you doing? Okay, we're out. 3 o'clock pa yung check-in. So, iniwan muna namin yung luggage namin. Nagdala kami ng pangligo. Kasi diba, we're gonna go to the water park. But first, we're gonna eat. Come here. This way, this way. Ito, merong Mall of Medini. I don't know kung anong merong sa mall na yan. So, hanap kami nakakainan. Katapat lang. Ito yung hotel. Ito yung may nakalagay Mall of Medini. Yung Legoland doon. Walking distance natin. Ah! Makahiya. Uh-oh. Is that the mimosa? That's the mimosa plant? Okay, yan agad ang nakita. Maliit lang na mall to. I'm hungry na. Ewan ko lang ah. Oh, may secret recipe. Ayun. Gusto ko ng kape. Ayan, so may KFC, may Burger King, chicken rice shop, tsaka Subway. And then, yung, secret recipe. Tsaka isa pang restaurant na hindi ko na, wait, nakita yung pangalan. At least may mga choices pala. So, dito kami nag-end up sa KFC kasi may kanin sila. Sa Burger King, may kanin din sila kaso yung mga flavor ng chicken niya. Ano yung satay, ayam, na hindi ako familiar kung ano mga lasa. At least yung KFC, alam mo na na anong lasa. Kahit pa paano, may idea ka. Anyway, are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I'm very hungry.
Dito ko Burger King, bili akong iced coffee. Ito yung Malaysian ringgit. Wala kasing kape doon sa KFC. Mahal, so after kong pumili ng medyo matagal, sira yung machine nila for coffee. So, punta ako dun sa isang, yung Old Town White Coffee. Sana may iced coffee. Ayoko na mainit. Okay, buti na lang pala sira yung sa Burger King. Nakakita ko ng parang 7-Eleven. My News yung pangalan. mynews.com. 250 lang. Ito sa 7-Eleven. Sa Burger King, 690. Ito pa yung favorite kong kape. Yung white coffee na hazelnut. Yung kanina sinabi kong Old Town White Coffee, restaurant pala yun. Nahiya akong umorder kanina. Kaya buti na nakita ko katapat nun itong store na to, convenience store pala. At binila ko si Zach ng Yakult. Pero Vitagen yung pangalan. So, dyan kami galing. Ayan yung KFC kung nakikita nyo. And dito yung daanan papuntang Legoland. Ito yung hotel nila.
Look inside.
Dito na kami! Legoland Water Park! And merong mascot dun sa loob.
No.
May mga locker rentals. Gano 20 ringgit for small, 40 for large. Ganito yung large. Ganito yung small. Doon kami sa large kasi malaki yung bag ni Daddy. We're off to the swimming pools. Unfortunately, naiwanan ko yung sunblock na sa isang bag. Nakakainis. Pa naman. Wow! Wala rin akong tsinelas. Ang galing ko. Ang taas ng slide dun. Yay! Look at that! So many bricks! Yeah! See? There's a crocodile, an elephant. Look, there's it. Wait, pinabili ko si Daddy ng sunblock kasi ang init. Tapos pinakuha ko yung cellphone niya para makapag-vlog kami sa tubig kasi yung phone niya yung pwede sa water. Wait lang, Daddy's gonna get sunblock. Hindi na makapag-antay itong mga to. Uy, ang kilay ko pala. Naka-makeup nga pala ako, no? Ano yan? Naka-ano ako, yung belo. Sabi ni Zeb, I like this place. It's so cool. Nagkawalaan na kami ni Daddy. Ayun! There's Daddy! There's Daddy and Kuya. I saw them. Nandito sa Lazy River kasi gusto ni Zeb to merong bricks na naglulutang. Yung malaking bricks. You wanna go with Daddy there? They're making a brick house, I think. See? Iniwan kami doon. Nandun kami kanina sa may wave pool. Hindi ko pa nga nabavlog yung part na yun. Kasi iwan ko yung camera ko sa cellphone sa bag. Anyway. Okay, let's go. You want to go with Daddy there? Ayun yung mag-ama. Oh. Magawa ng castle. Did you close the way? You blocked them? Okay, come on. Let's go to Daddy. They're making a brick castle. You wanna go there? Okay, habantayan mo na Daddy yung dalawa. And mag-iikot-ikot ako. Hindi ko alam kung mag-i-slide ako or something. Minsan mga malalaking slide. Let's see. Yung mga ganitong gazebo nire-rentahan. Hindi ko lang alam magkano. And meron yung air-conditioned na ganito. Parang katulad din sa Adventure Cove sa Sentosa. May ganito pala dito. Okay, we're done here sa theme park. Punta na kami ng hotel para makapag-check-in. And may continuation na swimming doon. Kasi may swimming pool din doon, diba kanina? It's 5 o'clock na. Let's go. Si Don Zac. Hi. Hindi pa nagbihis kasi nga maliligo din naman ulit. Okay, come on. Bangka sa gitna ng mall. Are you on a boat? Dito na kami. Mag-check-in na si Daddy. Come on, Zac. We're here na sa room. Let's do a room tour. At saka na yung churro. So, ito na yung door. And when you enter, here's the toilet, the bathroom, and we have a small kitchen, microwave. Yeah. Pwede magluto. And yan. Oh, we have a small bag. Oh, meron din pala ditong... Uy, dito ako mag-edit, guys. Yes, at magme-makeup. Yeah. Hindi pa rin ako nagbihis. May dryer. Oh, isa lang yung ano. Grabe naman. May plancha, may kabayo. Safe. Yan. And then, meron tayong maliit na balcony na hindi ko alam. Ay, nabubuksan. Oh, that's our view. What is that? Oh.
We can see everything.
Hospital to Glen Eagles. Be careful, ha? Ang lawak pa ng ano. Dami pa pwedeng i-develop. Okay. And that's it. That's our room. Doon si Daddy sa couch. Dito na kami sa pool.
Yeah, Mommy.
Give it to Daddy over there. Solo namin.
So, Zeb, ha? Careful, ha? Not good, eh? Oh, it's about Cool Bear?
What are you doing to Daddy? Hingal ako, nakapag-ano din ako. Nakailang laps ako. Tapos may gym pala dito. Ay, may nag-exercise sa lab na yan ako mag-video. Pero may gym pala, sayang hindi ako nakapagdala ng ano, pang gym. Ang sarap, wala kaming kaagaw. Kaso ang lamig ng tubig. Ano na, 6:15? Okay. Ligo time, guys. And, di ba may dala akong sabon, may dala akong shampoo, ganyan. Pero, parang, ang social ng kanilang mga sabon tsaka shampoo. Gusto kong gamitin. Pero sila Zeb, ginamit ko na lang yung soap nila na pambata. Pero ito, Citron Fresh. Wait. Citron Fresh conditioner. Tapos merong conditioning hair wash. I don't know what is that. Oh, shampoo. Body wash. And then, meron ding body balm or lotion. Tsaka cleansing bar. Di ba parang ang social? Parang, normally, I don't really like using hotel soap, shampoo, kasi parang, ano, parang very generic. Pero ito ang bango. Tapos, ewan ko. So, I'm gonna give it a try today. Parang nasulog yata yung mukha ko. Diba, nagre-retinoid ako. Pero nag-sunblock naman ako. Pero mas sensitive na siya ngayon talaga. Oh my gosh. Ang init kasi kanina. Anyways, okay. Liguan na. At ang highlight nga pala ng shower na to or ng CR na to is ang rainfall shower. Ganyan yung gusto ko. Ganyan. Ang sarap. Okay, the shampoo didn't work for me. Hindi ko bet kasi paraben free, so hindi siya mapula. And parang hindi na mawala yung tigas ng buhok. So, ginamit ko yung dalawang shampoo. Pero yung conditioner, ginamit ko yung kasama dyan. Anyway, let's see what's inside here. Hindi ko ba ito napakita? Oh, nothing. Shower cap. What's this? Laundry bag. And cotton buds, which this is what I'm looking for. So, perfect. Hindi sila provide ng toothbrush. Buti na lang, nagdala ako. Or unless, nothing. Kabila. Nothing. Wala. Ito lang. Walang toothbrush. Buti na lang talaga. Ewan ko lang si Daddy kung nagdala. We're gonna go down and eat. Tignan nyo. Bawal pati yung, alam ko, durian. Kasi sa Singapore, yung durian, marami din bawal. Bawal pati mangustin, bawal. Dahil nakakamancha. Ha? Bakit? Ano ibig sabihin ng mangustin? Explain naman.
Hindi nagbayad.
Bakit? Go gets.
No THC sweater fish. No.
Again, what's your clue again?
A swordfish. No.
What's your clue again? What's your clue?
It's green.
What color?
Green.
Green and
I don't have teeth.
don't have teeth. What does it eat?
Nothing.
Nothing. Because it doesn't have teeth. Insect? Insect maybe?
No, we never open his mouth.
He never opened his mouth? What animal is that?
A crocodile.
What? The crocodile has sharp teeth. It has sharp teeth and it eats other animals like a deer. Okay.
I'm an animal. And also it has a sword.
A sword? Where?
And on his nose. And then it has fins. Big one.
And where does it live?
The beach.
In the beach?
And then he can fight.
Fight with his long nose?
Yes. But fish. Yes!
Dito ulit kami sa KFC. Pabalik-balik kami. Konti lang kasing option. May Burger King. May Subway. Merong... But, iba pang hindi kilala. Hirap kami mamili. Tignan kami sa menu. Wala. So, balik kami dito sa KFC kung saan kami kumain kanina. So, bukas, bahala na. Isa pang alam ko dito eh. Tired, baby. Okay guys, we're home and yun, lakdan na si Zach. It was a very tiring day, but did you have fun, Zeb? Zeb, did you have fun? Yeah. Okay, say goodnight na. Say goodnight, guys. Uy! Say goodnight, guys.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay, guys, let's end the day. It's now 8:52. Ay, naku, grabe. Okay. Bye. Tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and Zeb Zach channel. Bye, guys.